Hi, I'm Michelle Hubbard, creator of Scared and Sacred, a safe and supported place for releasing your fear and then opening up to yourself as all that you are, even brilliant parts, even messy parts, and then becoming present to that intuitive guidance that's always trying to get your attention and help you. I'm going to be sharing a fear signature and fear melter created by my mentors, Gay and Kathleen Hendricks. I learned this during my leadership and transformation training with them. This fear signature is flee. Something scary happens, or you find yourself in a situation that feels a little bit scary and you start to flee. You may notice you're doing it physically. Maybe a shoulder is pointed towards the door. Maybe you have one foot turned out, not completely standing, landed, present in your experience. Another way of fleeing is to not really be listening, but to be going up in your head. And you're judging what the other person's saying is right or wrong. You're already thinking of what you want your response to be. These are ways that you're not present as yourself and with who and what is in front of you. The way to melt this fear and not be fleeing is to do a sumo. You put your feet apart and you ground yourself on the floor. And you feel yourself coming home to you. You feel yourself fully landed and strong in yourself. So let's say you're in a meeting and you are not feeling comfortable during this sumo pose in front of others. That's okay. You're in your chair. Feel yourself land maybe your little bottom, right, in your seat. Feel your feet become more firmly planted on the ground. Allow your body to feel anchored to right and who and where you are. See if your shoulders are starting to tug towards a door. Bring yourself centered. This will allow you to become present as you, open up the opportunity for breathing to happen, and then you'll be able to give the right and perfect response. Now, if you're going through a scary situation, it's not something you have to go through all by yourself. I'm happy to be there with you, and I've even created priceless pricing to make it easy on you. Email me at scaredandsacred@gmail.com and let's talk.